Today, I want to review some immediate fixes I made to this car. Unfortunately, these were completed before I decided to film a YouTube series. Therefore, you will see a mix of old and new footage. There are existing how-to videos for some of these repairs, so I will link those below. I focus on potential safety issues, starting with the spare tire in the trunk. Most people forget to air it up. If you are desperate enough to change a flat on the side of a busy road, the last thing you need is for this to go flat on you too. The driver window kept getting stuck while rolling up and down. Different things can cause this, but here it was a bad motor. It's tempting to change out the regulator at the same time. However, this Dorman aftermarket is not a direct replacement as advertised. It is missing several mounting tabs, which causes the window to roll up crooked. I simply swapped the new motor over and reused the factory regulator. Sometimes it's better to stick with OEM parts. The rear right door handle was damaged, which didn't let you open the door from the inside. Several of the door trims were also cracked, since many people can't remove them properly. I bought a set of 4 replacements off Amazon for $16. For me, it was a direct fit, but if the rods were replaced at some point, you may have to enlarge this mounting hole. There really is no reason not to fix these. If you get into an accident, these broken doors and windows may be your only egress from the vehicle. Believe it or not, little repairs like these are often reasons for someone selling their car. No, your car doesn't hate you. It's plastic, and plastic wears out with time and use. If you buy a new car today, it's eventually going to wear and tear. At least older cars are simpler. You don't have to worry about airbags or complex electronics behind the door panel. A license plate bulb was burned out, and this will commonly fail the state inspection. It's easy money for a shop when they threaten to throw that rejection sticker on your windshield. The rear left taillight was leaking significant water. A small bead of silicone fixed the issue. Imagine if an entire electrical circuit got shorted out because of this. Replacing wiper blades. I always had good luck with the cheapest from Walmart. If the old ones won't easily come out, just destroy the plastic mount. It's not worth trying to force it out and risk cutting yourself. These were completely seized in place. I cleaned up the engine bay and exterior to check for additional leaks. The engine will be addressed in a future video. For the exterior, I performed a routine wash, clay bar, rubbing compound, and polish. Before waxing, I touched up the rust pits to prevent them from getting worse. The last one was more for fun. These speakers really sucked, so I replaced them with aftermarket ones I had sitting around. This car did not come with factory tweeters, so I added a pair and wired them to the door speakers below. These speaker grills are from the higher trim versions of this Camry. I simply bought them off eBay. And that's it for today. I highly suggest you focus on the low-hanging fruit first. As an old car, there's no shortage of things to repair and replace. Have a beautiful day, and see you all next time.